Hi and welcome to the demo, the one that you've been waiting for probably, deploying a file search tool. But let's go into what tools are eventually. So tools give the agent an external capability to say, hey, I need something to look that up. For instance, an API for a weather call, at a website. So if I'm asking the agent or you, what's the weather today, it needs a tool to find that out. And then the best thing is that maybe it can give a mail back, because it's a little bit deceptive this. Also ChatGPT will use tools like web search to look something up. So that's, I don't want to confuse you there, but let's put it this way. If there's no tool, there's no way that this agent will be able to know how that is. And an agent will autonomously try and find that out using the tools available. And also, even better, it could even send you an answer for that, like a mail. So the key concepts to remember here: tools don't make the model smarter, they give just access to what they otherwise wouldn't have had, apart from what they're trained on. So the model is what it's thinking, how it thinks, how it reasons. Then we have the tools, and the agent will then answer something with that capability. I had a fictional idea, Dave's Bikes. So we can use these instructions with the agent that we have. You are a helpful customer service agent. Use the search tool to find information about Dave's Bikes when needed. Answer the customer's questions using the information you find. If you cannot find the answer, say that you don't know. And I have a document already, and that's a PDF, which we're going to use as a tool, as a file search tool. So here's the document, Dave's Bikes Incorporated, internal customer policy document, and you see all kinds of things here, like the returns policy, the premium members, customers with Dave's Bikes may return the products within 60 days, there's shipping over 100, so these are all things that you could ask people on the phone normally, but now the agent will look in this tool, if we have it, and put it in there. So there's a lot of other things. Customer support is available. Frequently asked questions. Do I need my receipt for return? Can I return a bike that I have ridden? See, all those kind of things that you might ask. Now, normally speaking, a person would have to read that document, right? Now we have the agent instead of the person that will look at this. But how do we get it there? So these are my instructions, and I'm going to save that in the agent, right? So you are a helpful customer service agent for Dave Bikes. So, but if I now start asking what is the return policy for Dave's Bikes, if it can actually understand my question, because I can't even understand it, I'm not sure what you mean. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is, by the way, the web search tool is already here. Do you see that? So we already have a web search tool. And that's interesting to know. So it comes with that. And I can actually customize or remove that if I don't want that. So what I'm going to do now is just add a file search tool. Now let's see if I can do that. Add tools. And I want a file search tool. Add tool. So you see what I'm doing, right? So I'm adding the tool, and now it asks me to attach the file. So all I have to do is go to the PDF. So all I have to do is go to browse for files, and I have it in my AI beginners, and there it is, Dave's Bike Policy. I open, and it's uploading the document, and I'm not sure how long it will take, and I say attach. So now it's indexing it, and let's see if it works. Yeah, it's there. And now I wanted to leave it here, because in my next demo I want to ask it all the questions, or else it becomes a little bit long. But first of all, let me make sure that I save it. I'm not sure if but it's now got the file search tool. Do you see that? So now we deployed the file search tool. In the next one, I'm going to ask it questions. How cool is that? Okay, see you in the next one. Bye for now.